Good evening to you. He is used to being on the other side of the law, but today a Laurel County constable was the one in court facing a judge.
Bobby Joe Smith is charged with manslaughter. He's accused of shooting and killing 30-year-old Brandon Stanley while he was trying to serve a warrant. Our Phil Pendleton spoke with Stanley's fiance in our top story at 5:30.
Bobby Joe Smith is accused of manslaughter in the death of a man police say he was trying to serve an arrest warrant on. The victim, Brandon Stanley, was shot twice in the upper chest area inside A&B Quick Stop on March 4th. His fiancée says Stanley did have a checkered past and says he had once fled from police.
After he ran, I had a hard time getting him to go to work after that. Why, I don't know. He never did talk about it, but I have no idea.
Smith is serving his first term as constable. He was indicted March 18th, 2 weeks after the shooting. He met a $50,000 fully secured bond and was never jailed. He pleaded not guilty, and Monday's hearing was postponed to allow more time for discovery and lab work.
How he could actually sit there with no emotion to his face. All of his family was there supporting him for something he should be in jail for.
Smith himself told me a week ago that he cannot comment on this case. I asked his attorney today if he would comment, but he says he wants to wait until that next court date, April 25th, before he makes any comment whatsoever on behalf of his client. Whittemore says she and Brandon Stanley were to be married the day after the shooting. She says despite his criminal background, he was a changed man.
I mean, he had a bad past, yes he did, but he was making up for it.
Smith's attorney says the hearing was delayed because some of the lab work results on the victim have not been returned yet. In Laurel County, Phil Pendleton, WKYT.
We don't know if Constable Bobby Joe Smith is still patrolling or carrying a gun. We have asked the prosecutor, Smith's attorney, and other officials. All have said they either don't know or have not been available to comment.